वीडियो क्यों बना? Yes, now you can start. You may
So
start.
now where we have to go?
Yes.
Do you have any idea? Where we
No,
have
no, no.
Because
It's,
I
it's
have to explore
after
lots more.
born, I was always in library, so I have no idea where we're going.
Okay, but I want to explore more, bro.
Yes.
Like, you both have explored lots
Can you
of things, but
can you
we
go us to the Nagmadi?
have- Nagmadi? Where is
Yes,
the Nagmadi?
Nagmadi. Some we oh
Nagmadi or
yes,
Nagmadi?
Nagmadi. You
I
know
don't know. I literally
the
don't
crystal
know about
on
the Nagmadi. But,
snake's head, something like you
Yes,
call
yes,
in
yes,
India.
yes, yes, yes. That's why when I
Be
explored
on
there.
camera, na bro.
Yeah.
It's your video. Why?
3 साल पहले
Yes, so there was a feature in my mobile that was, but after update I will get that. So we have to wait it for.
As of now, there is no.
There is no for yes.
Oh,
Now we are going to see a tiger. Let's move on there. Take
Where
right
is the tiger?
Huh.
Where is
What
the tiger?
he's gonna say?
Here is the tiger.
There you will
Wow.
probably see a tiger. Yes. Look at this magnificent.
Moment.
Yes. Now as you can see, it's called tiger in India.
टाइगर नहीं
Leopard.
Leopard.
लेपर्ड देखिए
My bad. At this moment, I'm capturing this beautiful moment on my mobile phone, so I can also share this beautiful moment with my homies. What does? Oh, let him do his business. Now let's focus on this one. It's very quiet, unusually. Why just? I think he's on sleep. He's getting sleep. He's walking right to left, right to left. I don't know why. What his problem? What kind of walk he's doing? Like
ओपन द केज
I think he had dinner just. That's why he's walking to digest his dinner, lunch, whatever he had.
he wants to
Okay.
taste some different
Yes. Is my English is making fucked up? Yes. I do believe that it is quite good, but not for my vlog, my channel.
नीचे थे उल्लू
So here we are here to see some parrots, right? And as you can see, this is a big zoo in Dehradun city. Let's move on.
why I'm talking like this
Let's move on. Come here. So now, as you can see, this is called Lady Amrit Pleasant. It's called
Not
something like this. You can read here.
pleasant
Okay, scientific name is called Lady Emirates Crescent. Okay, it's very hard and difficult word, so it has take time for me to read it out. Do you know Lady Dash is a beautiful game bird? Nation. Okay, so let's move on. Now you can see it. You can see it here. It's a very magnificent bird in my eye.
very colorful
Very colorful. Like,
Whatever thing is described on that one.
do you have some words, Aman?
I am
Kumar Sani,
speechless.
you are speechless. This beauty is truly speechless. There is no word could define this beauty.
I want to take some colors
Babu, don't discriminate. Okay. Yes, yes.
hey oh. I think it will be more beautiful
In
when
daylight.
we have this on our dinner on our
Everything
I'm
apart
not,
from
I'm not very non-vegetarian. I am just half-life.
bad boy heartless. Bad boy with his cool era.
Kalis.
College. Yes, college. I'm
Peasant.
college present.
Kalis peasant.
Not the peasant.
Peasant.
Yes, yes. I was adding L along with. So it's a male.
I know. I know the L you are taking from. And you
Forward. Male 63 and 74 centimeter. Weight is around 800 to 1150 grams.
Yeah.
And
Look at here.
egg size goes to 4 to
Look
6
my
eggs.
talent.
Oh wow, you have such a talent, bro. But just don't damage the camera. It's
No.
brand new.
It's not.
getting hurt.
I'm just
You are just
reminding you that
you are just
and it's not mine also. It's my brother.
Okay.
When he sees any scratches on the camera,
Okay.
tomorrow I would not be with you. Okay. Now let's move on.
हाथ पैर तो मार सकते हो
गाइस अब हमने थोड़ा
ज्यादा
बहुत यहाँ पे
chances लड़कियों के साथ
एक्सप्लोर
ही
कर
होता
लिया
है
है।
कि एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद ही पता चलेगा ये साला
यहाँ
एग्जाम
पे जो देहरादून का जू वाला इलाका है वो हमने थोड़ा बहुत देख लिया है और अब हम चलते हैं।